The hidden power of lipids in agriculture. Lipids, commonly known as fats and oils, are often overlooked in agriculture, yet they play a crucial role in crop resilience, livestock health, and sustainable farming. Understanding lipids help us enhance productivity while ensuring environmental sustainability. In plants, lipids form protective barriers like the waxy cuticles on leaves. These barriers reduce water loss, making crops more drought resistant. Lipids also store energy in seeds, providing essential nutrients for germination and early plant growth. Without these stored lipids, many crops would struggle to survive in challenging conditions. In livestock, lipids directly influence meat and milk quality. Farmers adjust animal diets to balance lipid intake, improving the nutritional value of animal products. Omega-3 rich feeds, for example, enhance the fatty acid profile of meat and dairy, benefiting of both animals and consumers. Proper lipids management in feed also promotes animal growth and reproductive efficiency. Beyond nutrition, lipids contribute to sustainability. Crops like soybeans and canola produce plant-based oils that serve as biofuels, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Lipid-based biopesticides provide an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic chemicals, promoting healthier soils and reducing environmental impact. By harnessing the power of lipids, we can develop more resilient crops, healthier livestock, and environmentally friendly farming solutions. The future of agriculture depends on understanding these biochemical foundation. As we innovate, let's embrace lipids not just as fats, but as essential components of sustainable food production. Thank you.